Russell's current teammate has discussed the importance of patience in the event that the Englishman does replace Valtteri Bottas at Mercedes. Nicholas Latifi has spoken out about the potential replacement of George Russell at Williams, with rumours about the Englishman's future swirling. Latifi and Russell enjoyed a good race at the Hungarian Grand Prix as they both picked up championship points. Russell is currently being touted as the favourite to replace Valtteri Bottas and join Lewis Hamilton at Mercedes for the 2022 season. If he were to leave, the question of Latifi's next driving partner at Williams would need addressing, and the Canadian has weighed in on the type of competitor he thinks would best suit the team's needs. Latifi said, "Obviously, the speed and being quick is one of the main things. But I think you have to have someone who knows it is still a rebuilding phase. Williams is definitely on the correct path to being more competitive and being more in the fight. I think as much as everyone will hope and be optimistic that it will be a big jump next year, it might not be as big a jump as we want." Williams have had a torrid time in the past few years, with the points won by Russell and Latifi in Budapest, the first for the team since the 2019 German Grand Prix, and the first double points finish since the 2018 Italian Grand Prix. Latifi continued, "I'm obviously hoping that it will be a massive jump next year. It might not be. If you have a driver who expects to win the championship or win races next year, maybe that's not the right thing." Formula One cars are set to undergo a transformation in the 2022 season with the introduction of new guidelines designed to encourage more overtakes and closer racing. Latifi has noted that such change in mechanics will require a certain type of personality when it comes to driver-team relations. He said, "You need someone who can be patient to work with the engineers on the track and the engineers back at the factory in the right way to guide them, as obviously it's a new generation of car that will be completely different to what we are all used to these past years. So having a fresh mind, an open approach and a willingness to push the team forward is important." The conversation around Russell's possible move to Mercedes has intensified in recent weeks, particularly given the starkly different fortunes of the Englishman and Bottas in Hungary. Bottas made an early error in the race, which resulted in himself, Max Verstappen, Lando Norris and Sergio Perez all coming off the track. Mercedes have said they expect to make their final decision on the matter of Hamilton's future teammate before the Belgian Grand Prix on August 27.